End of the decade, end of an era, some might say. What is it the end of an era for? I'll tell you what it's the end of an era for. It is the end of an era for smartphone developments. Because, if you think about it, the end of an era of smartphone developments means that we've reached our peak. And while not necessarily reaching our peak in the sense that technology will get smaller, technology will get faster, we will continue to get processor improvements. Form factor wise, we've reached the peak of what we can do with those. Because realistically, not many improvements have been made in the last few years, you could make the argument. On the iPhone side anyways, since we've reached iPhone 10, the improvements have become minor. Specifically towards camera or build quality even. Form factors remain mostly the same, apart from the new Max models in the past few years. Yeah, there isn't much in the iPhone space, or even in the Android space. While yes, there is companies continuously innovating by adding the pop-up cameras, whatever it may be, there still is the issue of the people and the companies playing it safe. In the next decade, smartphone development will slow down continuously. I can say, for example, that using an iPhone 10 in late 2019, early 2020, there's nothing wrong with using it. It's almost just the same as an iPhone 11 Pro. Now granted, I am an Apple sheep. Granted, I am a techie. I do notice the differences since I've used an iPhone Pro and an iPhone 11 Pro Max. Even the iPhone 11, there's differences between this and that, which might be of benefit to some people. Not a lot, I don't think. I think that people mistake the idea of innovation. Innovation is how it's defined as doing something different, new and unique. And I think Samsung has to get credit for this. While yes, the Galaxy Fold was a failure, it still was innovative in what it achieved. Now, the Huawei Mate X, the competitor to it, that is the kind of technology we're looking at in the future, where we can't really get screens much bigger. Sure, on the iPhone side of things, we will get rid of the notch. Better, brighter displays? No. 2 million nits already. The screens are way around the Pro models of the iPhone, even the 11 and the 10R. The screen's brilliant, so there isn't much we can do. Once we get rid of the notch on all smartphones and embed cameras and sensors underneath the display, all phones will look the same. And it's software that will win out in the end. People will just have to go into the shops, choose, do you want Android? Do you want Apple? Which software are you used to? Go with that one. That's how it's going to be in the future. And the future is now. Technology is more accessible now than ever before. And that's brilliant for the end user. So, that's pretty much what I have to say. If I had to choose a field of technology that will get more advanced in the next 10 years, that will be focused upon in the next 10 years, it is wearable technology, augmented reality glasses, smartwatches, improving those. Even the Apple Watch is peaking in its functionality, probably. And EVs. That's the main advances in technology for the next 10 years, in my opinion. But you know what? I could be wrong. Nobody is certain about this. Not even the companies producing the stuff. So I suppose we'll just have to wait and see what they give us